Welcome children. Welcome you all to today's video. This is Spoken English lesson 111. Let us move to the video with today's homophone. Today's homophone is ball. B-A-L-L ball and B-A-W-L also ball. Both are same pronunciation. Ball is an object used to play, whereas BAWL ball is a verb that means to shout, to emit loud cries without restraint. BALL ball is an object used to play, whereas BAWL ball is a verb that means to shout, to emit loud cries without restraint. The loud cry is called bawl. Okay, in this picture, the baby is bawling. The baby is crying. Okay, and there is a ball in the picture. Okay, children, let us move to today's video. In this video, you are going to learn words in the place of said. The first word for you is announced. You can use announced instead of said when you want something to be known by everyone. Something to be known by everyone. Okay, you can use the word announced when you want something to be known by everyone. Let us move to the example sentence. My friend announced that he is going abroad. My friend announced that he is going abroad. So he informed everyone that he is going abroad. Okay. Next one. When someone says something politely in a form of a question, you can use the word requested. When someone says something politely in a form of a question, you can use the word requested. In there, he or she will request. Okay. He or she will request. Example, the child requested for a doll. The child requested for a doll. Okay. The child requested for a doll. Okay. Let us move to the next one is commanded. When you say something in a bossy manner, you can use the word commanded. In this picture, the boss said the dog to jump into the river. In the sentence, rather using said, we can use commanded. Rather than saying said, we can use the word commanded. The boss commanded the dog to jump into the river. The boss commanded the dog to jump into the river. Next one. When someone who sings his or her own praise, that is called boasting. That is called boasting. You can use the word boasting or boasted in the place of said. In the above picture, children said about their strength. You can say children boasted their strength. Next one, when someone is answerable, you can use the word responded. When someone is answerable, you can use the word responded in the place of said. Example, I said answer to his enquiry. I said answer to his enquiry. Rather using said in the sentence, you can use responded. Responded. I responded his enquiry. I responded his enquiry. Next one is mumbled. Mumbled. When someone is talking with himself or herself is called mumbled. When someone is talking within himself or herself is called mumbled, and the speech is not clear or audible to anyone. When someone is mumbling, the speech won't be clear or audible. This is called mumbling. Okay, this is called mumbling. Example, he mumbled something. Okay, children, we have learnt some words in the place of said. First one is announced, and the second one is requested, and the third one is commanded, and the fourth one is boasted, and the fifth one is mumbled. Okay, you can use these words in the place of said, and the last one is responded. So we have learnt 6 words in the place of said. Okay, thank you children. Let us meet in another class. Until be safe and be happy. Goodbye.